That's my outfit for my graduation. Enjoy!
And I'd also like to thank Professor Peter Johnson, the Vice-Chancellor, and my colleagues in the senior team of the university who have been instrumental in bringing about the successes Finally, I'd like to thank all of our alumni and donors who have given so generously to the university. This year alone, more than 180 students have benefited from bursaries and scholarships to help them with their studies. Overall, over 300 donors gave just over 2.5 million to the university. I just want to give a huge thank you to each and every one of them because they make such a difference to be able to study our students. But above all, my biggest and most heartfelt thanks goes to you. You, our graduates in the past 2 years. You are deserving of special mention. You make this university very special. Thank you. Your time at the University of West London may be coming to an end, but as I may well have said if I met with you at an open day, this part is the beginning of being together to support you throughout your
Well, these are some of my class or former classmates. All the way, not way to the back, but just somewhere in the middle. Yeah. Okay. These are the people I went to school with. Some of them, because some of them could not make it, and that's moi. And that's a doctor. He just collected his doctorate from my department, so he was ahead of us. I should do that. calculation the day after we went kind of at the Covent Gardens, some street artists. Enjoy it because you just kept wasting time.
What are you trying to do?
Fast forward.
Oh yeah, now he's good. Yeah.
Just enjoy
There you
it.
Here you go. Hello. What do you want? Some cigarettes anymore?
Yes.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
And after that, the day after that,
It's so
again,
Christmassy.
it was a long, beautiful evening.
Are we going to? Sorry, what? What is it?
We're London.
Should I wait it now?
I guess now we're going to
Such a great story.
It feels like it's not moving, but it is moving. It's a funny day. London, I think. You can see, I think the whole of London.
It's both.
And we are done. Peace to you.
Please stand clear of the opening doors. If you're a wheelchair user, please let other guests get off first. Our team will lend you a hand if you need it. See you again soon.
Yay! Thank you. Bye.
That's it for my trip to Bologna. Next is it was a Gucci pop-up store date, and yeah, of course they were expensive, but it was a good look around.
Okay, the Centennial
And
Prince,
I
520.
thought they would have like a sale, but it wasn't necessarily a sale. But I enjoyed the experience. I did. And we had like a mini runway look on. I had read earlier that Serena Williams and the lights were there.
I love her. That is I read about it yesterday. Oh wow. I read about it yesterday.
You know you have classes that teaches you how to take pictures of food.
Really?
Yeah.
Have you taken
I like how much fish just fell.
Ooh, it's just falling.
Alright, just the pizza.
And the next weekend, or I think 2 weekends after that, after work had dealt with me a little bit, I went on an exhibition day. It was really controversial. I don't think I'm ever going to see his works again. Anyways, I loved my look. I loved the whole military jacket. It reminded me of my dad, and they were protesting as well. When I see the art of Banksy the artist, I think he grew up in Birmingham, but now he's going all mysterious and covering his face and getting all extremist, in my opinion, with his art and messaging. I like this one, exit through the gift shop. So most of his works, you kind of exit through the gift shop, but this one put me off. A quick recap of my month. So as November goes, I'm super happy I graduated from my second master's in... Anyways. And here we went to church, put up some angels, which was great. I hope you have the best. I hope you have a great, we have the best December yet. Okay? God bless you. After my graduation, I forgot to mention that it was Thanksgiving, so we went out for Thanksgiving this year. Of course, we had Thanksgiving there the week after because it just coincidental.
Good job.
That I pushed my niece and birthday, so I'll be vlogging later.
She looked like the mango.
Love you guys. Thanks for watching.
She ate the mango. Now let's all drink the joke. Let's all.
We have to.